Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding gate lock. We will begin by identifying the key components necessary for a robust and secure system. Then, we will delve into selecting the most suitable materials, emphasizing durability and weather resistance. Finally, I will guide you through the construction process, ensuring your gate lock is both functional and long-lasting. This project is designed to be straightforward, providing you with a reliable solution for your property's security needs. To start, you will need a few essential items. First, find a solid metal bar, about 1/2 inch in thickness, which will serve as your main bolt. Next, choose a strong padlock or a heavy-duty hasp to secure the gate. You will also need 2 U-brackets or L-brackets to mount the sliding mechanism. Remember to use weather-resistant fasteners, like stainless steel screws, to ensure your lock withstands the elements for many years. Now, let's assemble the lock. Begin by securely attaching one U-bracket to your gate frame and the second one to the gate itself. Make sure they are perfectly aligned so your metal bar can slide effortlessly through both. Next, drill a hole through the metal bar and the gate frame, large enough for your padlock shackle. It is crucial that the sliding bar extends at least 3 inches into the receiving bracket for maximum security. With your lock constructed, it is time for installation. Mount the entire mechanism at a comfortable height, usually between 3 and 4 feet from the ground. After installation, thoroughly test the sliding action and the locking mechanism several times to ensure smooth and reliable operation. For enhanced longevity, consider adding a protective cover to shield your lock from harsh weather. Remember to inspect it periodically for any signs of wear, keeping your gate secure for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.